Hindi to English through Tagalog translation. Counting a numbers 11 to 20. Let's begin. 11, 11. Gyara, gyara. 11, 11. 12, 12. Bara, bara. 12, 12. 13, 13. Tera, tera. 13, 13. 14, 14. Shoda, shoda. 14, 14. 15, 15. Pandra, pandra. 15, 15. 16, 16. Sola, sola. 16, 16. 17, 17. Satra, satra. 17, 17. 18, 18. Atara, atara. 18, 18. 19, 19. Unis, unis. 19, 19. 20, 20. Bis, bis. 20, 20. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.